New kitchen, new rules. I'm drunk already. Roll the fucking clip.
Nope.
No?
I think you were gonna fucking yell.
I'm yelling. I'm a yelling boy. Are we good?
Well, I want to nap focus. Okay.
Let me know when you're set.
Yeah,
Everyone say set.
Set.
Action.
New kitchen, new rules. I'm already drunk. Roll the fucking clip. My name's Mike Sapieja. I'm not a cook and I've never actually worked in the kitchen before. I did bartend back in college, and at the end of the day, I only care about 3 things. Making food, making drinks, and girls with daddy issues. I don't know how they keep finding me, but there's definitely a trend. That felt cute. Did it look cute?
No.
Okay. Welcome to Shitface with Sapieja, the drinking, cooking talk show, minus the talk show parts because we can't get guests to drink with me. It's fine though. Today we're going to be making Banh Mi, and it's a drink called the Pearl Harbor. It's got a problematic name, but it's an explosion in your mouth. So what do we need to make a Pearl Harbor? We got a glass here. We're gonna fill it with ice. 2 ounces of vodka. 2 ounces of sake. Pineapple juice, if I can crack it open. There we go. A float of Midori melon liqueur. And a sprig of our rosemary here to garnish. Well, I'll find a good one. There we go, look at that. Right in there. Look how nice that looks. Look at that drink. Yeah, it tastes like pineapple and melon, and it's gonna fuck you up. It's fine. It's all alcohol and some juice. So in typical Shitface with Sapieja fashion, I'm gonna drink this entire sumbitch in one go, and then I have to keep making them and keep drinking them while I show you how to make banh mi. Oh my god. Okay, so let's talk about banh mi. What is banh mi? Banh mi is a Vietnamese sandwich. It's super simple. It's basically just French bread, pickled vegetables, and a pate. Pate is like basically pulverized liver. Since I've got gout, which I thought was reserved specifically for old people, turns out drinking can cause it, and eating meat. Eating meat also causes gout. So today we're doing a vegan episode, so the pate is not gonna be a meat pate, it's gonna be a mushroom, garlic, and rosemary pate. It's gonna be amazing. Banh mi is traditionally made with either barbecued pork or beef, meatballs, shrimp. We're doing tofu. Let's do that. Let's talk about marinade. Tofu. Extra firm tofu, because you don't want tofu falling apart. Tofu tastes by itself like a wet beach towel. So we're gonna do sweet and spicy with the marinade. Look at this brick of super firm, wet, just fucking shit. We want to have a barbecue-y kind of taste. So we're going to get some Worcestershire sauce. Just maybe half a cup. Also like half a cup or a quarter cup of soy sauce. I have some hoisin sauce, which is basically Asian barbecue sauce. It's super smoky, which is nice. Maybe about a quarter cup of hoisin sauce. That'll be thick and syrupy. Just a touch of sriracha. Bloop. Some cracked black pepper. We have Chinese 5-spice seasoning. I'm not going to show you the brand because they're not paying me to advertise them, but it's cinnamon, star anise, fennel, ginger, clove, licorice root. It smells amazing. It's kind of sweet, kind of spicy. I'm going to put in a sprinkle of that. I'm going to say maybe a half tablespoon. Crushed red pepper, a pinch of granulated sugar for a little bit of extra sweetness. We're gonna whisk that together. I almost forgot the garlic. You can do fresh garlic, but pre-minced garlic is super convenient and it tastes fine. I'm gonna sneeze really quick. Hold on, it's coming. That was a one and done. That's very rare. So about look at that, about a tablespoon of minced garlic going right in there. Okay, so we got this. Now, what do you marinate anything in? It's a plastic bag. You marinate in a plastic bag. No one has time for a fucking bucket or a Tupperware. You have Ziploc. Look at this. Look, it's a gallon-sized bag that you can throw away. You don't have to wash it. No one has time to wash shit. So you fucking open your bag, you throw your goddamn tofu in it, and then you pour your fucking marinade in. Look, it's marinated tofu. It's done. It's easy. It's simple. You don't have to fucking work so hard to make things taste good. To make banh mi, you gotta have pickled vegetables. So I'm gonna slice up the radish. I'm gonna slice up the cucumber. The carrots are already sliced up and very tasty. We got this knife for, I don't know, I'm just grabbing knives out of the fucking block. There's a right way and a wrong way to do it, and I'm doing it the wrong way. Look at this colossal, there's more fucking roots than there are, they're gone now. So look at all these pubes on this daikon. See all these, look at this, it's like you haven't been dating for 3 months because your ex broke your heart. You don't want pubes on your daikon. Did I mention that I'm supposed to be drinking during this entire process? It's fine. Any actual chef would fucking reprimand me. If Gordon Ramsay was here, he'd be swearing his head off. My parents are not proud of the first episode. They asked me, they said, can you not swear as much on a cooking show? And I said, absolutely fucking not. I have the daikon and the cucumber and the carrots. They're all cut up. So I'm gonna boil the vinegar, 16 ounces of vinegar, a literal handful of salt, a literal sugar. Whisk it all together. It smells like mustard gas, like something that you would send to your enemies to kill them. Nicholas, come here. Come here. I love you. Look, let's get your cameo. Do you see the vinegar starting to bubble a little bit? Do you see it? Yeah? Okay, perfect. So once that starts boiling, we're gonna throw our veggies, our carrots and our daikon radish and our cucumber in there. It's gonna taste like pickled vegetables. I don't know what the fuck you want me to tell you. Have you ever had a pickle in your life? Cucumbers are pickles. Imagine that plus carrots and a white radish. Why do people expect more from me than I can give them? I'm just dribbling sauces all over my face. It's sticky. I'm a mess. This is what you came for. This is Hollywood right here. I don't want to put my shirt back on.
Put the fucking shirt on.
Do the show. They're gonna make me wear a shirt. I don't want to wear a shirt. I don't want to wear a shirt. I'm cooking with hot vinegar and I'm not wearing a shirt. So the pickle is set. It's ready. It's going. It's, God damn it, Dan. Now we have to make our pate, our vegan pate. So we're gonna throw all these mushrooms in. Whoa! You wanna just flake off all those delicious rosemary bits. You're gonna peel all this flaky shit off these garlic boys. Garlic tastes good. Just thrown in with your mushrooms. A little bit of pepper. You want some kosher salt. Ah, they're so hot! They're really hot, ow. So I'm gonna put these mushrooms in this bowl here. I'm gonna right away add our pecans. Nuts, especially pecans and walnuts, I'm using pecans, are super high in fat. And the only good fat is hot fat. Okay, so now as soon as these pecans start smoking a little bit, we're adding them to the rest of everything. I've never tested this recipe. Nick, come here. Nick, come here. Taste this. Off my finger. How is it?
Oh my god.
It's really good.
Freaking great.
Now, once this is heated up, we're gonna add so we're gonna add a little bit of we don't want it to stick too hard, so we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Get that all lubricated. Everyone knows you don't do anything without lubrication, ladies. All right. Tofu's marinated. Now we want to get it seared. There we go. For, I don't know, like, I would say 3 minutes on either side. You just want it to get warmed up. Tofu doesn't need to be cooked. We're gonna prep our sandwich. French roll, some mushroom pate on that bottom half, vegan mayonnaise. I don't actually know what this stuff is made out of. A little bit of sriracha. I don't care what brand you use, it doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices of jalapeno. I'm gonna drink some more. Even if sweet drinks aren't your thing, it really balances out with the spicy, sour nature of the marinade. Now, some people think that cilantro tastes like soap. They're wrong. Cilantro is clean, refreshing. It's borderline citrusy. It's the only leafy green to use on a banh mi sandwich. By now it's cooled down. So we have, it's a mess in here at this point, but we have this pickled cucumber and daikon and carrot. And we're just gonna layer it on top of this cilantro. We're gonna slice our tofu in about, I would say, 1/4-inch slices. You wanna know that you're chewing on something, otherwise it's just gonna taste like a salad. Flip your sandwich, clean up your plate, cut on a gentle angle. I'm hammered as fuck right now, but it's actually really good. Get a bite of this. Is that good? It's really good, right? If you like what you see, fucking comment, subscribe. Tell me who you want to see on the show, because I want to bring people on here to get them drunk with me, to cook food for them. If you don't like the show, I will stab you. I will fucking stab you. But if you did like it, comment, subscribe, and we will make more of this shit. And it'll be a lot of fucking fun. I don't know what else to say. I have a lot of alcohol in me. Thanks for watching.